Here's another Georgia sulfur construction update. There goes Joker. Well, they haven't added any chain still to the, I guess the rope hose, what do we call that? Oh, they're adding in lights, it looks like. Got some lights, wires over there. So they got a light right there. They got some more fixtures. What are the other lights they're gonna add? And yeah, let's go on to the other side. You can see they got a few other things over here. Some control boxes and stuff. And then night it lights up. As you guys can see, yeah, they moved the train into the station and they're still working on it. Get a little closer about the sun messing it up. Probably testing how it's gonna look, but that's how it looks in the station. Looks like they're trying to build something in there, but yeah, that's about it really. They moved it to the station instead of on the outside. Still pretty cool. That's how they're gonna load, but there you go. There's your shot of how it's gonna look in the station. Here's another different angle of it. See the platform must go down and up, or it's laying on top of the board. Yeah, you can see it like attaches to the board itself. Oh, you see someone right there. Probably trying to program it. Yeah, there you go. That's how you get on it. Just gotta figure out how to build the control center board. Got both sides opening and closing. And now they're walking away. Look, that was it. But there you go. That's the filmmaker opening the door, I guess. Well, here's the other side. But yeah, that'll do it for the construction update for this week. We're seeing some power and stuff moving back and forth, which is pretty cool. Hopefully, we start seeing some tests maybe next month. So there you go. There you go. Have it for a construction update.